Okay, year 10, great. Second lesson on averages. So we'll just remind ourselves of what you need to know before we go on. But before we even do that, let's have a look at a starter. You get that? There we go. Oh, got there in the end. Right. Okay, so your starter for today. Copy those examples down. When you've copied them down, have a go at them. Maybe switch your video off while you're doing that, and then you can come back and I'll go through the solutions for you. So, year 10, solutions to these questions. Let's have a little look at that. We've got a couple of calculations here. It's to do with big maths, brackets, indices, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, just a little bit of practice. What comes first? Brackets comes first. 16 subtract 3. 16 subtract 3 gives us 3. What's 3 squared? It's 9. So we've now got 12 subtract 9, so our solution is a positive 3. Okay, everyone happy with that? Right, next one. We've got a bracket again. We've got 16 subtract 18. 16 subtract 18 gives us minus 2. And then we've got that cubed. So what is minus 2? Negative 2 cubed. Minus 2 multiplied by minus 2 gives us a positive 4. Positive 4 multiplied by a negative 2 gives us negative 8. So we've now got 36, take away 8, so our solution's going to be 28. Next one, solve. So we've got to get x equals something. That's what we're aiming for. So we've got x's, we've got numbers. We want to get the x's on one side, we want to get the numbers on the other side. So let's do a plus 18 to both sides. Plus 18 to the left-hand side, plus 18 to the right-hand side. Left-hand side we get left with 13x. The right-hand side we've got 21 plus 18, which is 39. Divide both sides by 13 gives us x equals 3, and that's our result. Next one, we've got x's and we've got numbers on both sides. Right, so let's work on that. Let's take away 9x from both sides. So we take away 9x both sides. So that means we've got 4x minus 13 equals minus 17. Okay? So now we've got x's and numbers on the left hand side, we've got numbers on the right hand side. Let's get all our numbers onto the right hand side. So we add 13 to both sides. Add 13 to both sides. So now we've got 4x equals minus 17 added to 13. So that's minus 4, negative 4. Divide both sides by 4 gives us x equals minus 1 as our solution. So that's our starter completed. Get on with the main part of the lesson now. That's not your lesson finishing. That is the buzzer for the people at school at the moment. Reminder, mode, the number that appears most times in our sample. Median, write out our sample numbers in order from smallest to largest, and it's the number that comes in the middle. Mean is the one that makes you do more work, so it's mean to you. Add all the numbers up in the sample and divide them by the total number of examples you've got, okay? Don't forget range, difference between the largest and the smallest term. So we did some examples yesterday, so let's skip past those and we'll do a new example for you. Whoops, went a bit too far there. So it's an exam question, this is taken off an exam paper. So let's have a look at this one. Okay, so 3 marks we're going to earn for this. Chloe's made a list of the marks she's got in her homework, and it's asking you for the mode, it's asking you for the mean. Right, that's easy. Mode, most. What number, what score appears the most times? We've got 3 lots of 4, we've got a 1, we've got a 2, we've got 3, we've got 4 lots of 5 though, so the number that appears most times in that sample is 5. The mean, okay, that means we've got to add all the scores up, which gives us a total of 38. How many scores have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we've got 10 scores. She's done 10 lots of homework. She's scored 38 in total across those 10 lots of homework. So 38 divided by 10 gives us a mean of 3.8 as her score. Okay? A mean of 3.8. Okay, that seems quite low actually. Let's have a check of that. So we've got 4, 19, 23, 26, 28, 29, 33, 38, yeah, it's 38. 38 she scored in total across 10 homeworks, so her mean is actually going to be 3.8. If we wanted to do a median, hasn't asked for the median here, hasn't asked for it. What would we have to do? We'd have to write these numbers down in order. What's the smallest number that we've got? We've got a 1. Let's cross that off. We've got a 2. Let's cross that off. What we got? We've got a 3. So cross that off. We've got 1, 4, another 4, and another 4. So we've got some 4s there. And then we've got some 5s. Okay, so we've got 10 numbers there. What's in the middle? The middle would be between the 4 and the 4. So the median, if we were asked to do the median would actually be 4. So 3 different types of averages that we know about. The mode gave us a result of 5, the mean gave us a result of 3.8, and the median gave us a result of 4. So you must know the difference, you must be confident about the difference between those different averages. Okay, that's the end of the presentation for today. I hope you're happy with that, and thank you for your attention.